There she is. I can hardly see the phone screen. Your pretty baby. Hello, my pretty baby. Do you want a cookie? Do you also want a cookie? Will you sit? Diana, sit. I'm looking for the one she likes. Juno, sit. She doesn't like to. Juno, sit. Sit your butt. Diana, sat. Diana's good. Juno, sit your butt. Come on, sit. Okay. If you want the snack, you have to sit your butt. Diana, you are very good. Juno, you are naughty. Okay. We're gonna get it. Juno, sit. Yes, you did it. Good girl. Diana, you're very good. Juno, sit. Good sit. Alright, let's go. Are you all done water? Okay. Go. Juno, I'll just take a moment. Show you the lake. Pretty lake. Are you gonna jump? Maybe not. Maybe don't jump. It might be kind of tall to get back up again. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I bet those are the rowers. Can you hear them? We'll be able to see them when we come around here. It's people talking. Oh, there they are. I can see them. Puppies. No jump. No jump. No jump. I gotta get over this saying things 3 times for them, but I really don't want them to jump. So there's the rowers. They have the megaphone and they get out there. I don't really know what they're doing. Like, I haven't watched them. Presumably, at some point they go fast. I think that's the point of rowing. But what I have mostly seen is them sit there and somebody talks on a megaphone. So that part doesn't seem all that fun, really. This is probably long. Trees, water, dogs.